According to Conan and other venerable icons, when one creates a formidable new weapon, one must bestow upon it a name worthy of the implement in question. Now one could simply say, hey, this is my tool and it is named such and such, but that would not meet the standards of the wood shop. ZW has decided that for the BFS-5000 he will be etching the name into the steel. Watch as ZW harnesses the power of the sun with the volatility of chemistry to literally dissolve away hardened steel before your very eyes. Please share this video with a friend. The odds are they will enjoy it. You will get some positive energy for ZW and the universe will actually become slightly better for it.